Here are my Sephora sale recommendations, speed round. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. Stuff is so lightweight and great for my dry skin girlies. This is this Tarte Airbrush Finish Foundation Brush. I love how dense and big the brush is, so it blends out quick and seamlessly. Fenty Ease Drop Foundation Stick. This is my favorite if I want light everyday coverage or if I want to cover up any additional redness or dark spots. Sephora Bright Future Gel Concealer is lightweight and so perfect for every day. Want something more full coverage, or if I'm doing a heavier glam, I'll go for the Hourglass Concealer. Rare Beauty or the Say Beauty blushes, honestly the best cream blushes on the market. Always blend them out with the beauty blender. I mean, come on. Zacosa's Cloud Set Powder. It sets the skin so beautifully but doesn't take away the glow. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Cannot live without this stuff. Gucci Bronzer is one of my favorites. Patrick Ta blushes have my heart. It comes with a powder and a cream. The combination of the two is chef's kiss. Nude sticks, eye color sticks are so creamy. You can use them on the corner of your eye, all over your lid, and even as liner. Favorite eyeshadow palettes are from Makeup by Mario. Clearly, I like them a lot. YSL Beauty Mascara gives a lot of volume and thickness. My go-to liners are from Rare Beauty and Makeup Forever. They glide on so beautifully and are very buildable. Favorite lip butter, Summer Fridays. Favorite lipstick is Dior Forever Nude. Too many favorite lip glosses. I will link all of them, but today, YSL Love Shine. It's like a lipstick, lip oil, and gloss in one. Charlotte Tilbury Setting Spray. One size on till dawn. My makeup stays on for hours with this. Here's the finished look. Comment below, let me know what you're buying from the Sephora sale.